Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. If this is not your first time, um, you my dog. We are making banana pudding. It's very easy, very tasteful. You guys are gonna love it, okay? I decided to just slow things down on my YouTube because I've been going too fast on my IG. So I wanted to slow things down for people that just wanted more detail. We are going in with our block cheese, well, cream cheese rather. We're going to make sure that it is warm or room temperature at least. You don't want to do like I did the first time, fucked around and try to whip up some cold ass cream cheese and it was not whooping for your girl. Like I was looking stuck and crazy. So you want to make sure that it's room temperature. Then you want to go in with your condensed milk. You could find this at your baking aisle. Not hard to find at all. Yeah, it's not hard to find. You want to use the whole entire can, scoop out everything, nothing gets left behind. We don't waste no food around here. And then you want to go in with your vanilla jello pudding. Yeah, and I gave that a good stir because you want to make sure everything is whipped up, no clumps, none of that. Okay, we are not getting talked about at no family event. You hear me? And then we're gonna go in with our vanilla abstract. I use two capfuls, but you can use one. Y'all know me, I'm a little bit extra, so yeah, but it tastes good. Then you're gonna go in with your Cool Whip. You want to make sure that is definitely room temperature because this is pudding, not ice cream. We're going to give that a good stir, a good whip. Put that to the side. And then I got my cut up crack cookies. Chessmen's cookies to be exact. They could, at this point, at the bottom, they could be cracked up like mine. It don't matter because, trust me, the way this pudding is going to taste, it's not even going to fucking matter anyway. Okay, so here I am. I crumbled all the cookies all in there. You know, get every corner, every side. I used about five bananas, but you can use as much as you want, baby. It is banana pudding. Go bananas, okay? But make sure that you have enough room because we are gonna like double layer this baby. Some people pour in their banana pudding, but me, I had to make it so pretty for you guys. So you guys gonna have to watch me struggle. Okay. So we're gonna go in with the first layer, and then after that, you're gonna add your caramel syrup. Now this is like everything, okay? I didn't even know this was a thing. Like I'm like, damn, where the fuck I been? This was so good, and the cinnamon combination to this whole thing, guys, you guys are gonna drown in it. Okay, okay, let me get back focused, y'all. Oh god. We're gonna spread that out. Add your cookies, okay? We're going to crumble in. So just the same thing as we did at the bottom, we're going to do it the same. We're going to do the same thing, right? Crumble it all in, get the corners, get the sides, put your bananas on, right? I did it off camera, but I did add the cinnamon, and trust me guys, you need the cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, of course, don't follow my lead. Don't do it. But for the ones that don't have a problem with cinnamon, add the motherfucking cinnamon. Then here we are, we're adding the layer, and everything is a repetition. Like we're doing things over, okay? Very easy fix, very, very easy. You guys are gonna love it. You guys are not gonna get talked about at the family event. They're like, who the hell made this damn banana pudding? No, you guys are gonna love it. But let me know down in the comments if you guys tried it this way or if there's another way. I would love to try it. Comment, like, subscribe, share, follow my IG. I love to hear y'all feedback. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye.